Welcome back. In this video, we are going to understand the various operators in Python. What all operators do we have in Python? And out of those operators, we are going to cover the arithmetic operator in this video. Okay, so first, let us just list out all the various types of operators that Python has. So the operators in Python. Okay, operators in Python, we will just list out. The first is, which we are going to cover today, is the arithmetic operators. The arithmetic operators. Okay, very first. Second, what we have is the relational operators. Relational operators. Third, we have is, okay, let us take the assignment operator. Okay, the assignment operator. Then fourth, we will have the logical operators. Logical operators. Fifth is the bitwise operator. The bitwise operators. And sixth, what we have is the membership operator. Membership operators. And seventh and the last one that we have is the identity operator. The identity operator. Okay, so these are the 7 types of operators that Python has. So if the question comes, what are the different operators that Python has? So there are 7 types: the arithmetic operator, relational operator, the assignment operator. In this, I guess assignment operator we are using, and very much we are using the arithmetic operator also for plus, minus. That is the arithmetic operator, and we're going to cover up all that. So in this video, I'm going to cover the arithmetic operator. Okay, logical operators, bitwise operators, membership operator, and the identity operators. So these are the operators in Python. Now, let us cover the first one in this video, that is the arithmetic operator. And let me just shift this. Okay, arithmetic operator. So the arithmetic operators are plus, which is very simple, as it denotes, that is for addition. Arithmetic means for doing the mathematical calculation like plus, minus, division. Those are arithmetic operators. So we have the plus, we have the minus. Okay, don't get confused. I'm using that double quote over here, but yes, just I will remove that so that there won't be any confusion. Okay, and switch back. So there is a plus operator, minus, then there is the asterisk, that is the star character in simple language, which is used for multiplication. Okay, then there is slash, the front slash. Please remember the front slash, that is for the division. And then we have double slash, that is for floor division. So I'm going to write over here, this is for the adding, this is for the subtraction, this is for the multiplication, this is for the division, right? And this is for floor division. Just write this completely, floor division, and we're going to understand that. And then we have the percentage sign, that is modulus operator, or in short, mod operator. And then we have the 2 stars together, the asterisk sign, 2 stars together, and that is the exponent. Okay, the exponent operator. So these are the different arithmetic operators in Python. So obviously, if we have a variable a and b, so how can we add them? We can add them a plus b. And remember, like for addition, like these are like a and b. Okay, in any expression, the variables, they will be called as operands. Also remember these terms. So all the variables are called as operands, and plus sign, obviously that is a operator. And if there is any constant like a plus b plus 5, so that 5 is a constant. So a and b are variables. The plus is, or any other in an expression, if there are multiple operators, so all those will be operators. And any constant is that, it will be the constant. So variables will be called as operands. Okay. Similarly, minus, we can have a minus b. Also, there is a unary operator. We can have minus a as well. Okay, this can be done, right? You can use it this way also. For multiplication, okay, we need two operands. So a, the star b. Okay, a star b. So that is multiplication. So a and b will be multiplied, right? Similarly, we have division, a slash b, it will be divided. And the floor division. Now, what is the difference between division and floor division? So what happens is, suppose we have a variable. Let's shift it over here. Okay. And we have a variable that is a is equal to 5 and b is equal to 2. And if I say, maybe I will take another variable c is equal to a slash b. And this is how it is used, right? This is at the left hand side, I mean the right hand side, and this is at the left hand side. Whatever you do, the operation over here will be assigned to a, right? Like this, 5 gets assigned to a, 2 gets assigned to b, and whatever operation we will perform, it will get assigned to c over here, right? Okay. So a will be divided by b, so it will be 2.5, right? But if I say a double slash b, so what happens is this point part, right? The decimal part is ignored and only the integer part is taken. So this will produce 2. And that is the basic difference between division and floor division. So if you don't want the answer to be in decimal and you only want the integer part, so you will be using double slash, which is called as floor division. Okay, so this is the basic difference. And then we have the modulus. Now, what is modulus? Modulus also like a percent b. So this is also going to divide a divided by b, but we are going to take the remainder and not the quotient. Okay, so we are going to, like, if we divide 5 divided by 2, so the remainder will be 1. So we are taking the remainder over here, and that is the difference between the division, floor division, and the mod operator. So if any calculation we require the remainder part, so we are going to use this percentage character. Okay, and then we have the last one, that is the exponent. Exponent is the power. Like if it is a double star, so this two asterisk sign are together. There shouldn't be a space over here. Please remember that. Okay, just write that again. Delete it. Okay, and a, then the first character, second character, they are together, and then followed by b. This means a to the power b. So obviously, if the value of a is 5, the b is 2. So this is 5 raised to 2, and that is going to give us 25, isn't it? So these are the operators. Okay, these are the, okay, maybe it's not visible. Just a minute over here. Okay, now it's visible. Maybe I was just, because of my video was there, right? So I hope this is clear to you. So a double slash b is 2, a percentage, this is the mod operator, and so everything is clear. Now, so these are the arithmetic operators. Now, please remember the arithmetic operator. Okay, we have this plus operator and this one, the product operator. These two operators are also used in string operations. Okay, and how to use them in a string operations and how to perform the string operation, we will just cover that in this video. And let me just shift this aside. Now, the plus and the asterisk, that is the star character, these two operators are used for Obviously, they are used for addition, and the second one is for the multiplication, and they are used for the arithmetic operation, mathematical operation, but they're also used with strings. Okay. Now, if I take a variable a and I assign a string that is Python, so I can use double quotes opening and closing, and in between that, the string. Always remember that. Okay. And if I have b is equal to programming. Okay, so these are two strings. So I can add them, I can join them. How to join them? I can take a third variable c and I will do a plus b. Now this is not an error. What Python is going to do, Python also use this operator for joining two strings. So what will C have? C will have Python, and then there will be no space as well. Understand? Because we are straight away joining the two strings. So Python programming. If there would have been any third variable, so it can be a plus b plus c. All of them have the uh, you know the string values, and all of them can be joined together. Such a thing is called as concatenation. Concatenation, that is joining of strings. Okay, joining of strings. So the plus operator can be used for joining two strings. We can also give direct constants that, for example, C is equal to Python plus programming. So we are directly using the constants over here, the literals. Okay, so these are string literals. That is the constants. We can do it this way also. There is no need of the variables, right? So that is the use of the plus operator. And now comes the asterisk sign, that is the star character, and how to use that. Okay, over here, this is used for replicating the string. For example, a is equal to Python. Okay, then I can do something like this, or I can directly print a star and 2. So what this is going to print, it will replicate Python in the string 2 times, and this will be the output. That is 1 and 2. Had this been had this been 3, right? Had this been 3, then it would have been 3 Python. That is replication of 3, right? If this would have been 4, there would be 4. So the string gets replicated whatever number you specify. Okay, so if I say only a star 1, okay, so it will not make any difference. It will be same Python, so it will just print the same thing. Okay, so this is how it works. So that is how the star character is used for replicating the string. So if I say something like this, um, if I say something like this, print, and I give underscore and star 10. So what is this going to produce? So this is going to produce 10 underscore 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So this is what it is going to print on the screen. Okay. So I hope that these operators, the arithmetic operators, are very much clear, and how out of the operators, this plus and the star character, that is the asterisk character, it is used for the string operation as well. Okay, so in the next video, what we are going to do is we are going to practically implement them, and we will also do a small program using this string operation, and then we will follow it with the other operators that we have in Python. That's it for today. Thank you so much.